Dear student, you are welcome back to b.shrestha YouTube channel, your IElTS instructor. Today I am going to discuss about essay writing in IElTS, which is called Talks to Essay Writing. The essay writing in IElTS is different from the essay writing in Nepal. You might have written so many essays in your life, but in IElTS essay writing it is a little different. What is IElTS talks to writing or essay writing? It's all about essay writing. But the first and foremost difference of IElTS writing in IElTS is there is no topic. Okay, without further delay, let's discuss about some tips and tricks about IElTS essay writing. The first one is you need not write the topic. In IElTS essay writing, we don't write the topic because topic writing is not allowed in IElTS essay writing. Instead of topic writing, we have to paraphrase the question. Paraphrase means rewriting the question. And number two is you should complete your essay within 40 minutes. 40 minutes is given and you have to complete your essay within 40 minutes. Number three is your essay should have 250 words. At least 250 words you should write in your essay. A little more than is acceptable, but less than that is not acceptable. And now number four is you should not repeat the same ideas and same word time and again. As far as possible, you better write synonyms. Sometimes what happens, students repeat the same idea and same words in their essay, which makes the examiner feel bored. As a result, you may lose your point or let's say mark. That is why you need not repeat the same word. If the condition to repeat the same word comes, you better write synonyms. And next is your essay must have coherence and cohesion. What is coherence? Coherence means sentence structure and cohesion means link between the different paragraphs. You have to write 4 paragraphs in as essay writing and they must have cohesion and coherence, which is very important in IElTS essay writing. While checking your copy, the examiner is happy if he finds cohesion and coherence in your essay. Otherwise, your essay is not considered to be the good essay. And next is your essay should have at least 4 paragraphs. They are as follows. I generally teach the student to write 4 paragraphs in your essay. It does not mean that you cannot write 5 paragraphs. So IElTS instructor teach the student to write 5 paragraphs as well. But I teach the student to write only 4 paragraphs because it is easier and safer. Sorry. Though you write 4 paragraphs, you don't lose your marks. That is why to take the burden of writing 5 paragraphs. What are the 4 paragraphs? Let's see one by one. First paragraph is introduction. It is called paraphrase. You have to paraphrase the question in your essay. And second is body paragraph 1. You have to describe about your essay topic in body paragraph 1 and similarly body paragraph 2. And at last you have to write conclusion. While writing the conclusion, you can start your sentence from in conclusion to sum up, to write the summary. In this way you can conclude. And seven is you should use appropriate vocabulary. Don't use only low level words. You have to write high level words also in your essay. And you should avoid grammatical error. Grammatically your essay must be perfect. Otherwise you may lose your marks. You should write your essay with a pencil because at the time of exam you are given a pencil. That is why you better practice write your essay with a pencil because it will be easy at the time of exam. Okay, student, number 10 is your essay is measured on the basis of 4 things. Actually, the examiner wants to have 4 things in your essay. And if those 4 things are found in your essay, the examiner is very happy to check your essay and your essay is perfect and you will score 9 by 9. And what those 4 things are? Let's see. They are task achievement. Second, coherence and cohesion. third, lexical resources, and number 4, grammatical range and accuracy. Now let's talk one by one. What do you mean by task achievement? Task achievement means subject matter. The subject matter must be strong in your essay. And similarly, coherence and cohesion, I already told you that coherence means sentence structure, perfect sentence structure should be there in your essay, and cohesion means there must be a link between the paragraph which you write in your essay. And lexical resources means word power. What type of vocabulary you use in your essay? You use only low-level words or high-level words. That also matters your scoring while checking. That is why lexical resources means word power. You have to use high-level word also in your essay. And fourth one is grammatical range and accuracy. It means grammatically your essay must be perfect. If you avoid grammatical error, then of course you will score high in your essay. Okay students, now let's wrap up today's class. If you have any query, I will be happy to solve that. If this video is useful for you, please do subscribe, like and comment. Till next time I will come with another video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.